everyone, today I'm diving into extracting Amazon reviews using Numerous.AI. If you're a data analyst like me, you know how crucial it is to cleanly and quickly extract relevant data. Let's get started. First, let's grab a data set of Amazon reviews. I've already pulled a CSV file with reviews, ratings, and dates. Now open Numerous.AI and let's set up our workspace. Once your data is loaded, click on the cell where you want the extracted data to start. Now here's the magic. Use the prompt "Extract positive reviews from column B." Numerous.AI will scan column B and filter out the positive reviews for you. Easy, right? Next, let's tackle negative reviews. Click on another cell and type "Extract negative reviews from column B." Instantly, you'll see only the negative feedback in the new column. This segmentation is super handy for sentiment analysis. But what if you need more refined data? Simple. Use a more specific prompt like "Extract 5-star reviews mentioning delivery from column B." Numerous.AI will narrow down the data to exactly what you need. Let's say we want to see these extracted reviews side by side. Use "Extract positive reviews from column B to column D" and "Extract negative reviews from column B to column E." Now, you have a clean side-by-side comparison. Remember, you can customize these prompts based on your specific needs. Numerous.AI is incredibly flexible and can handle complex queries with ease. So there you have it, a quick and efficient way to extract Amazon reviews using Numerous.AI. Give it a try and streamline your data analysis workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more data tips. Thanks for watching.